Are you looking for an efficient solution to improve industrial lifting operations? Imagine a scenario where heavy materials need to be lifted and transported within your facility. The task is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and poses a risk to worker safety. How can you streamline this process effectively? Introducing the Single Girder EOT Crane, the ultimate solution to your material handling challenges. This innovative crane system is designed to enhance productivity, optimize workflow, and ensure the safety of your workforce. With its robust construction and advanced features, the Single Girder EOT Crane offers superior lifting capabilities, allowing you to move heavy loads with ease. Its compact design makes it ideal for facilities with limited space, providing maximum efficiency without compromising on performance. Equipped with this crane system is easy to operate and offers precise control over the lifting process. From loading and unloading to transporting materials across the facility, the Single Girder EOT Crane streamlines operations and minimizes downtime. Experience increased productivity, improved safety, and optimized performance in your industrial lifting operations. Take your material handling to the next level with the Single Girder EOT Crane. Upgrade to the Single Girder EOT Crane now and witness the transformation in your industrial lifting operations. To know more, the details, contact our mobile number or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.